Hello. Welcome. This video is about an online opportunity that you may want to avoid. This video is a review. Mr. P and this channel are not in favor of negative reviews, but when the research indicates a possible scam, likely a probable scam, then please consider this video to be more of a public service than a negative review. I will be sharing the details shortly, and be sure to stay with me for your bonus, which includes 2 ways to make money online, without spending any money. I will also be sharing a little trick that Mr. P uses, and that you can use to help protect yourself from offers that may turn out to be scams. The offer that you may want to avoid is an online tester. It promises an easy and fast $800 to $1,000. Most of your initial offers are as a game tester. These offers pay from about $30 an hour to over $70 an hour, and you will get paid by way of PayPal. In addition, the opportunity shows a high customer satisfaction rating from Trustpilot. There is no cost, you can register for free. Before you jump into any offer or opportunity, first apply this little trick, which is the first of your bonuses. The trick is to type in the name of the product, company, website, and so on into your Google search box. In this case, the company is called TesterUp. So type in TesterUp and follow that with the word, complaints. Now hit search. The results will often tell you what you need to know. Even if it is a good offer or opportunity, you might find a complaint of 2. Investigate those complaints, and what you will probably find is that they are usually a bait-and-switch scheme. In other words, you may find a bogus complaint that tries to switch you to a similar product. If the opportunity or offer is not as good as it claims, this trick should reveal the truth. And if it is a possible scam or a probable scam, you will find that out, as well. In the case of TesterUp, there are some significant indicators that seem to say, "Stay away." For example, the actual Trustpilot review is not even close to the review that is shown on the site. More importantly, there are many complaints about accounts being unexpectedly shut down, thus preventing users from getting paid. Please remember Mr. P's trick. Type in the name of the product or company or website or owner into your search box. Follow that by the word complaints. Your next bonus is 2 ways that Mr. P uses and that you can use to make money online. The first is a way to make money on YouTube without making a video or spending any money. The second is a simple approach to affiliate marketing as a content creator and list builder. The second method is not free, it is about $18 a month, which includes all your tools and resources such as an unlimited autoresponder, website, professional article spinner, training, products, and more. Both opportunities are proven to work. You will find links below. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black right now. Thank you. If this is the kind of content that interests you, I invite you to join the channel and ring the bell so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Allow me to thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.